If you've been hunting for the 5 best 8-quart Instant Pot, you're probably looking for a pressure cooker big enough to handle family meals, meal prep, or even hosting. The truth is, this size is perfect when you need to cook large batches of soup, chili, or a full roast without juggling multiple pots. I've tested different Instant Pot models in my own kitchen, and I can tell you the 8-quart strikes that sweet spot between capacity and convenience. With years of experience trying out smart kitchen appliances, I'll help you figure out which 8-quart Instant Pot really fits your lifestyle. You can check out the updated links with the best deals in the description below. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1. Air fryer. If you're like me and love cooking but hate juggling too many appliances, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 air fryer and pressure cooker feels like a lifesaver. I've been using it for family dinners, and honestly, it has cut my cooking time in half. Pressure cooking a hearty stew on a busy weekday feels effortless, and when I want crispy fries or chicken wings, the air fryer lid gives me that crunch without drowning food in oil. The 8-quart size is generous, perfect for meal prep or when friends come over. I like that the stainless steel pot is sturdy and easy to clean, plus it goes right in the dishwasher. The EvenCrisp technology really does deliver that golden texture, and I've noticed it uses way less oil than my old fryer. That said, it's not a tiny gadget. If you have a small kitchen, you'll need some counter space. Also, switching between lids takes a bit of practice at first, but you get used to it quickly. Overall, I think the Instant Pot Duo Crisp is worth it if you want one machine that can pressure cook, air fry, steam, and more, all without cluttering your kitchen. Number 4. Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1. Air fryer. If you've ever wished for one appliance that does it all, the Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1 air fryer and pressure cooker comes very close. I've been using it for a while, and it has replaced 3 gadgets in my kitchen. With 2 lids, you can switch between pressure cooking and air frying in seconds, which makes it super flexible. I love pressure cooking soups or rice for the family, then swapping to the air fryer lid for crispy chicken or veggies. The 8-quart size is roomy, which is great for meal prep or big dinners. The EvenCrisp technology really does deliver that golden crunch, and I use far less oil than I did with a deep fryer. Cleanup is easy since the pot and lids are dishwasher safe. What I also like are the little status lights that guide you through the cooking process. It feels more user-friendly than older Instant Pot models. That said, it is heavy and takes up counter space. If you have a small kitchen, this might be tricky. Overall, the Instant Pot Pro Crisp is perfect if you want faster cooking, healthier meals, and one smart machine that saves time and clutter. Number 3. Instant Pot 8-quart Whisper Quiet 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker. If you want a pressure cooker that makes cooking simple and quiet, the Instant Pot 8-quart Whisper Quiet 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a solid choice. I've used it for family meals, and the first thing I noticed was how peaceful it is. The steam release button is gentle and quiet, unlike older models that hiss loudly. The 9-in-1 functions cover everything I need: pressure cook, slow cook, rice, yogurt, even sous vide. I like that the control panel has a progress bar and clear messages, so I always know what's happening. It feels less intimidating than older Instant Pot designs, especially when trying new recipes. The 8-quart size is perfect for big batches. I often cook soup or pasta for the whole week, and the stainless steel pot is sturdy and easy to clean in the dishwasher. The extra sealing rings are handy too. That said, it doesn't have an air fryer option, so if you want crispy fries or wings, you'll need another appliance. It's also a bit heavy, so moving it around isn't fun. Still, the Instant Pot Whisper Quiet 9-in-1 is a dependable, family-sized cooker that saves time, reduces noise, and makes meals stress-free. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker is one of those kitchen tools that makes you wonder how you ever managed without it. I've been using the 8-quart version for family meals, and it's a real time saver. On busy nights, I can pressure cook a pot of chili in under an hour, or switch to slow cook mode when I want dinner ready after work. The 7 cooking functions cover all the basics: Pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, rice, yogurt, and keep warm. I especially like the customizable smart programs. With one touch, I can make rice, soups, or even yogurt without guessing the right settings. The stainless steel pot with a tri-ply bottom is sturdy, heats evenly, and cleans up easily in the dishwasher. The 8-quart size is great if you have a big family or like to meal prep. I often batch cook pasta sauce or soup for the week. Safety is another plus, with over 10 protections and an easy steam release switch that feels very secure. The only drawback is that it doesn't air fry like newer models. Still, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is affordable, reliable, and perfect if you want a proven all-in-one cooker. Number 1. Instant Pot Pro 8 quarts, 10-in-1 pressure cooker. I recently upgraded to the Instant Pot Pro 8 quarts, 10-in-1 pressure cooker, and it's already become the star of my kitchen. If you're looking for one appliance that can handle almost everything, this is a solid choice. It works as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice and grain cooker, steamer, sauté pan, sous vide, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and food warmer. Having all of that in one device feels like magic. The 8-quart capacity is perfect if you cook for a family or love meal prep. I can make soups, stews, or a big batch of rice in one go without worrying about space. What stands out to me is how fast it heats and cooks. Compared to older Instant Pots, this one preheats faster and shaves a lot of time off dinner. The gentle steam release is another win. No more loud, startling bursts, just a smooth, quiet release that feels safer to use. Cleanup is easy since the inner pot and lid are dishwasher safe. The pot also has sturdy handles, which makes it easier to lift even when it's full. That said, the appliance is heavy, and with so many smart programs, it can feel a little overwhelming at first. But once you learn your go-to settings, it becomes second nature. Overall, the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 is a versatile, powerful, and reliable cooker. It saves time, reduces kitchen clutter, and delivers consistent results. For busy families or home cooks who love variety, it's a worthwhile investment. Final verdict. After using several Instant Pot models, I can confidently say the Instant Pot Pro 8 quarts 10-in-1 pressure cooker is my number 1 best overall pick. It's powerful, versatile, and makes cooking for the family so much easier with its 10 functions and large capacity. I love how it speeds up meal prep while keeping everything flavorful. That said, if you're on a tighter budget or just want something simple for everyday use, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a great choice. It covers all the basics without overwhelming you with extra features. Both are fantastic, but the right one depends on your needs. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gear reviews, and check the description for the best deals on all these machines.